Welcome to Luxury Bee's YouTube channel, where we can explore all topics related to luxury. For more upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Like, comment, and share to your friends. Do you play any video games? Nowadays, playing video games is the most popular pastime, particularly with the release of the PS5 and the most recent Xbox models. It's uncommon to see a young person, especially one in the West, without a gaming computer. Gaming PCs come in a variety of sizes and capacities. Despite frequent recommendations to start with the most basic PCs, you will invariably feel the urge to upgrade. In this video, we'll explore the priciest pre-built gaming computers available right now. Let's start with the top 10 on our list. Number 10. ROG Strix GA15DK. The ROG Strix GA15DK is a quick and responsive computer that seeks to offer you a competitive edge. It is tournament ready. It has everything you need, including a liquid-cooled AMD Ryzen 7 5800X processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 graphics, and 32GB of DDR4 RAM. The Aura Sync RGB frame, which is intended for gamers, has a slightly covert appearance and provides equal flare and performance. The Aura Sync frame isolates the CPU, GPU, and PSU into their respective particular compartments to help minimize temperatures. It also has extra wide vents to help move extra cold air through the computer. Number 9. Thermaltake LCGS AH-390. Perhaps Thermaltake's greatest and most costly ready-made gaming computer is the LCGS AH-390. It has 3mm thick glass panels at the front and two 5mm thick tempered glass panels on the end, both of which were designed by the Apache helicopter. It enables you to admire the motherboard, RAM, and AIO fans' chosen RGB hardware. Furthermore, you receive 1TB of M.2 Gen 4 storage to eliminate waiting for the material. The AH-390, like other ready-made systems, uses liquid cooling for the CPU and uses air cooling for the remainder of the system. Number 8. Omen 30L Gaming Desktop. A 4K gaming PC called the Omen 30L comes pre-configured for competitive gaming. It comes ready-made with some of the most coveted new components, including a 10th generation i9 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics for powerful gaming. The Omen's chassis makes use of a Cooling Master-made bespoke frame. The front and back boards are made of glass, which allows you to change the inside without using any tools. The system also has a Dorado OC-AMP M80X motherboard, 32GB of HyperX XMP RAM, and a 750W Platinum 80 Plus PSU, in addition to the mainframe and video card. A 120mm AIO cooling system is used to liquid cool the CPU, while the GPU has 3 installed fans. Number 7. MSI MEG Trident X. For mobile gamers, the MSI MEG Trident X is a powerful small machine. It has a slim vertical frame that is designed to take up the least amount of area possible, and it has every part that is generally included in a full tower installation. With this piece of equipment, you only get pure effectiveness. The concept is extremely creative to prevent overheating of the compact size while gaming. There are separate compartments for the CPU, VGA, and PSU. As a result, the system might remain cool for several hours. This latest model has Wi-Fi 6, Thunderbolt 3 connections, and all other features you might want from a computer of this age. Number 6. CORSAIR ONE A200. The CORSAIR ONE A200 stylish and small 12-liter enclosure houses all the quality of a full-size AMD gaming desktop. It has 32GB of Vengeance LPX DDR4 RAM, a 12-core AMD Ryzen 9 5900X processor, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics. Under the metal frames are two AIO liquid fans that go immediately in front of the GPU and CPU. They suck in cool air and move it up through the tower style to maintain temperatures and ensure maximum speeds. Additionally, there are a few convenient processes on the bottom, as well as a 3.5mm socket, two USB 3.0 ports, and an HDMI port that is VR ready. Number 5. MSI Aegis Ti5. The very next striking and cutting-edge gaming computer on our list is the Aegis Ti5. The Ti5 is divided into 3 distinct cooling compartments for the PSU, GPU, and CPU in terms of the setup. The CPU compartment is a level above. The GPU compartment is at the top of the chassis. And the PSU compartment is a round drum at the bottom of the head that houses a 750-watt 80+ gold PSU. By removing the side panel, you may see the liquid-cooled CPU and GPU chambers. You may then take out its 240mm AIO cooler, which is obstructing the CPU compartment entry after removing the back panel. It thus exposes an MATX Z490 motherboard with a 128GB maximum RAM capacity. An MSI GeForce RTX 3080 is lying horizontally on the bed's bottom in the GPU compartment up top. Number 4. CUK Aegis RS. The CUK Aegis RS, which was previously entirely made of MSI parts, is designed to provide you with an unparalleled gaming experience. It provides unrivaled esports performance at the top level thanks to its 10th generation Intel Core i9 10900K processor and GeForce RTX 3090 video card. Artistically, it blends with earth colors to make the entire structure more recognizable. For the highest firmness and accessibility, the base of the device is indeed an elevated MSI Z490 motherboard. A 120mm Dragon CPU liquid cooler and 4 120mm RGB fans are also included with the price. You won't have to work too hard to play your CPU-intensive games as a result. Number 3. CUK Continuum Micro Gamer PC. The top-tier gaming PC that is likely to catch your eye is indeed the CUK Continuum. You'll be hard-pressed to discover a nicer pre-built system that appears as beautiful as it works. With an 8-core i9 11900KF processor and a GeForce RTX 3090 in a captivating continuity glass chassis. The cover is important throughout the aesthetics of this build, especially for RGB fans. The Continuum is furnished with a number of other similarly strong components, as well as the formidable CPU and GPU combination. Number 2. CUK Mantis Gamer PC. The CUK Mantis is indeed a sizable full-tower PC designed after the praying mantis. It has a 16-core i9 12900KF CPU and a GeForce RTX 3090 graphics card to offer you all the gaming performance you want to surprise your enemies. It is outfitted with some of the most costly PC gear. The Mantis frame is visually distinguished by its high overall and front wings with a distinctive green finish. Both air and fluid cooling systems are pre-installed interiorly to provide you with improved temperature distribution. The front, top, and back of the chassis are all surrounded by the sum of 6 120mm Halo Ring LED fans. All of this included in the package with 3 at the front, 2 AIO fans leading the line, and 1 120mm output down back. In contrast, the lower PCU cover has a 1TB SSD or 2TB HDD and an 850-watt gold PSU. Number 1. Digital Storm Aventum X. Digital Storm offers a dedicated, adaptable PC called the Aventum X. To meet the needs of the fan group, it includes a bespoke fluid supply system and compatibility for the most recent Intel processors. Its engineering was centered on usability and adaptability. The Aventum X is officially one of the best bigger full-sized PCs in the business, at a massive 28.5 inches tall by 25.8 inches long. It will spend approximately $15,000 or more, based on the CPU and GPU configuration that is picked. The frame is elegant and strong in terms of its construction, and it includes two all-glass panels along either side. The wide glass windows offer a superb glimpse of the newest equipment and the cutting-edge fluid cooling unit, which spreads fluid between the front and back sections. Furthermore, changing out the GPUs is made simple by the pre-routed supply panels at the head of the chassis. Well, there you have it, the top 10 most costly gaming computers in the world. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications so you don't miss out on a single video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Wow!